Our Milky Way galaxy is a vast and swirling city of stars, gas, and dust. Imagine a cosmic pinwheel, a flat disk with spiral arms, rotating gracefully through the universe. Our Sun, a rather ordinary star, resides in one of these arms, roughly halfway out from the center. When we look up at the night sky, we are peering through the disk of our own galaxy, seeing the combined light of billions of stars. But the Milky Way is not alone. It is surrounded by a retinue of smaller galaxies, cosmic neighbors engaged in a delicate gravitational dance. Among these neighbors, some are faint and difficult to detect, while others shine brightly, visible even to the naked eye. Two of the most intriguing are the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy and the Andromeda Galaxy. These cosmic companions offer glimpses into the dynamic processes that shape galaxies and their evolution over billions of years. Their proximity to the Milky Way provides astronomers with invaluable opportunities to study galactic interactions, star formation, and the nature of dark matter. So let's journey beyond the familiar glow of our own galaxy and explore the wonders of our cosmic neighborhood. The Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy earns its name from its location in the same constellation as the greater dog, Canis Major. This dwarf galaxy, a relatively small collection of stars, lies remarkably close to the Milky Way, a mere 42,000 light-years from our solar system. To put that in perspective, the Milky Way itself spans over 100,000 light-years. This proximity makes the Canis Major Dwarf our closest galactic neighbor, so close that it is actually being torn apart by the Milky Way's gravitational pull. As the Canis Major Dwarf orbits our galaxy, it stretches and distorts, leaving a trail of stars and gas in its wake. This stellar stream, known as the Canis Major overdensity, wraps around the Milky Way like a giant luminous ribbon. The discovery of this overdensity provided compelling evidence for the ongoing interaction between the Milky Way and its smaller companion. Astronomers believe that over billions of years, the Canis Major Dwarf will be completely absorbed by the Milky Way, its stars becoming part of our own galaxy's tapestry. In stark contrast to the diminutive Canis Major Dwarf, the Andromeda Galaxy reigns supreme as a galactic giant. Also known as M31, Andromeda is a majestic spiral galaxy, estimated to be over twice the size of our Milky Way. Located roughly 2.5 million light-years away, it is the most distant object visible to the naked eye, appearing as a faint, fuzzy patch in the night sky. Through telescopes, Andromeda's spiral arms and central bulge resolve into a breathtaking spectacle of starlight. Andromeda is approaching the Milky Way at a speed of approximately 250,000 miles per hour. While this might seem alarming, galactic collisions are relatively common occurrences over cosmic timescales. Astronomers predict that in about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. Don't worry though, this collision is unlikely to spell doom for our solar system. The interactions between the Milky Way, the Canis Major Dwarf, and Andromeda highlight the dynamic nature of our galactic neighborhood. Galaxies are not static islands in space, they are constantly moving, interacting, and evolving. The gravitational forces between galaxies can trigger bursts of star formation, distort their shapes, and even lead to mergers over billions of years. The ongoing disruption of the Canis Major Dwarf demonstrates the Milky Way's gravitational influence on its smaller companions. As Andromeda draws closer, its gravitational pull will begin to have a more pronounced effect on the Milky Way. The two galaxies will distort each other, their spiral arms stretching and warping under the mutual gravitational attraction. Stars and gas will be flung out into intergalactic space, creating vast streams of material bridging the gulf between the merging galaxies. The eventual merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda will result in a giant elliptical galaxy, a cosmic behemoth composed of the remnants of two once separate star systems.